Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College, and today we are going to complete the third part of our module, which is called TV receiver repair. In today's topic, we are going to see how to repair color synchronizing circuit and sweeping circuit. At the end of this module, each learner will be able to repair color synchronizing circuit and sweeping circuit. As you can see, is a synchronizing IC, which is the process in which the signal are transmitted and received in accordance with the clock pulse used to avoid signal deformation at the image in the receiver output. And also, while we went to test a synchronizing IC, we have to identify the pins of the color synchronizing IC, all of them. You have to know the general fault which occur in TV receiver color synchronizing circuit and how to diagnose them. When there is no input voltage at the synchronizing IC, unbalanced color on the screen, such when we have black and white. There is also fault CRT color amplifier transistor, short circuit of color synchronizing IC. It may cause some problem through the power supply of this television. And also, there's when there's fault color pathways. What you have to do while you find out that your television has one of those problems, you do what is called soldering and soldering the color synchronizing integrated circuit, replacement of the color synchronizing IC by the corresponding IC. And also, while you're done by replacement of the color synchronizing IC, what you have to do is replacement of different components of color synchronizing circuit, such as resistor. As you can see, you replace them according to corresponding resistor. And while you're done, what you have to do is testing on the screen color balancing. You test your TV, how the screen is responding. And after that, measurement at different stage of color synchronizing circuit, as you can see at your own screen. Each and everything, you do it slowly and carefully. And after all, the problem which came from the color synchronizing circuit, you may conclude that is already resolved. You may ask yourself, what is a sweeping circuit? It's a sort of waveform generator used in CRT or cathode ray tube. This waveform is needed to move the beam inside the picture tube horizontally to reproduce the picture. Often, this is a high current driver supplying sweeping current to a magnetic deflection coil on the neck of the CRT in TV, as you can see at your own screen. And also, when you went to test the sweep circuit, you have to identify the pin of the sweep ICs, such as horizontal ICs and vertical IC. And also, you have to know the general fault in which occur in vertical sweeping circuit and the diagnostic technique. There's when there's a bright horizontal line on the screen, insufficient picture height, poor vertical linearity, picture roll vertically keystoning, and also, finally, there's when there's excessive vertical size of the picture. And also, we are going to see the general fault that occur in horizontal sweep circuit and the diagnostic techniques. There's when there's a single line in the center of the screen. Directly, you have to know that this is an horizontal IC failure. Poor horizontal linearity, horizontal fold over, horizontal keystone, and loss of horizontal synchronizing. Those are the general faults in which occur in sweeping circuit, especially in sweeping ICs, such as horizontal and vertical ICs. While you finish to rectify those faults, what you have to do is replacement of defected component according to corresponding faults. If it's the failure of horizontal IC, you have to replace horizontal IC according to the corresponding IC. Even when it's a vertical one which is failure, you have to replace it according to corresponding vertical IC. And finally, you have to do what is called contact after repair testing. In that case, what you have to do is to check
if each fault which occur according to the IC, either vertical or horizontal IC, is not show up. If it's not show up, it means you already accomplished the task to repair sweeping circuit of this television.
Thank you for your attention. See you next time. In our next session, we will see how to repair extra high tension supply and how to replace the screen. As we are running together, you take some note and you keep doing practical exercises with me as we're running together. See you next time. Enjoy.